So today in this video we're going to discuss regarding the earth fault in electrical system. So let's talk about it without wasting much time. So basically an earth fault or ground fault is an unintentional electrical connection between a current carrying conductor and the earth or an earth metallic part of the system or equipment. This earth fault creates an alternative, often low resistance path for the current flow, which can lead to electric shock hazards and equipment damage and sometimes fires also. So the earth fault can be caused by various factors, with the most common being the breakdown of insulations. And the primary solutions for earth fault involves prevention, detection, and automatic disconnections of the power supply to mitigate the damage and ensure the safety. And the protective devices which we should use to prevent the earth fault, that are ELCB, that is earth leakage circuit breaker, and sometimes EFR also. EFR means earth fault relay. Okay, so this is the basic regarding the earth fault and the solution behind the earth fault.